Sealtite's maximum length of 6 feet for hot tubs and spas is primarily due to a combination of manufacturing limitations and stringent safety regulations outlined in the National Electrical Code, otherwise known as the NEC. Let's explore these factors in detail. Firstly, manufacturing limitations play a significant role. Sealtite is constructed from both polyvinyl chloride, known as PVC, and steel, creating a flexible conduit designed for electrical wiring. Producing longer continuous lengths of Sealtite poses considerable manufacturing challenges. Maintaining the structural integrity of the conduit becomes increasingly difficult as the length increases. Longer runs are more prone to kinking, bending excessively, or even collapsing under their own weight or external pressures. The materials, PVC and steel, need to be perfectly bonded and consistently formed throughout the entire length of the conduit. Any imperfections in the manufacturing process, such as uneven material distribution or weak bonding points, become more pronounced and problematic in longer lengths. Furthermore, the manufacturing of extended Sealtite lengths demands specialized machinery and highly refined processes. Existing equipment might not be suitable for producing long, continuous runs without compromising quality. Investing in new machinery or modifying existing equipment adds significant costs to the manufacturing process. The intricacies of controlling material flow, temperature, and pressure during extrusion and bonding become exponentially more complex as the length increases. These complexities contribute to higher production costs, making longer Sealtite lengths economically unfeasible for most applications, especially considering the safety implications. Secondly, safety regulations are paramount in determining the maximum allowable length of Sealtite in hot tub and spa installations. The NEC, a comprehensive set of standards governing electrical installations, specifically limits the length of flexible conduit used in these environments to 6 feet. This limitation is in place to mitigate several potential electrical hazards. One major concern is overheating. Longer conduit runs inherently have higher electrical resistance. Electrical resistance is the opposition to the flow of electrical current in the circuit. As the length of a conductor, such as the wires inside the conduit, increases, so does its resistance. This increased resistance leads to greater heat generation when electricity flows through the wires. In a confined space like a hot tub or spa enclosure, excessive heat buildup can create a fire hazard or damage the surrounding equipment. The 6-foot limit on Sealtite helps to minimize resistance and prevent dangerous levels of heat generation. Another significant risk is arcing or sparking within the conduit. If the insulation on the wires inside the conduit becomes damaged or compromised, it can lead to a short circuit. A short circuit occurs when electrical current bypasses its intended path and flows through a low resistance path, such as the conduit itself. This can result in arcing, which is the formation of an electrical discharge between 2 points, or sparking, which is the release of small, high-energy particles. Arcing and sparking can ignite flammable materials or cause electrical shock. The limited length of Sealtite helps to reduce the likelihood of insulation damage and short circuits, thereby minimizing the risk of arcing and sparking. Excessive flexing of the conduit can also pose a safety hazard. Hot tubs and spas are subject to vibrations, movement, and temperature changes, all of which can cause the conduit to flex and bend over time. Longer lengths of flexible conduit are more susceptible to damage from repeated flexing. This damage can include cracks, breaks, or loosening of connections, all of which can compromise the electrical integrity of the system. The 6-foot limit helps to ensure that the conduit remains relatively stable and is less prone to damage from flexing. The 6-foot limitation also ensures easier and more reliable installations. Hot tubs and spas often have limited space for electrical connections and wiring. Longer conduits would be more cumbersome and difficult to maneuver in these tight spaces. This could lead to improper installations, which can increase the risk of electrical hazards. Shorter lengths of Sealtite are easier to work with and allow for more precise and secure connections. Also, using longer conduits would necessitate more fittings and connections to join multiple sections together. Each additional fitting and connection introduces a potential point of failure. These connections can loosen over time, corrode, or become susceptible to water intrusion, all of which can compromise the electrical system's integrity. By limiting the length of Sealtite, the number of connections is minimized, reducing the potential for leaks, loose connections, and other related issues. In summary, the 6-foot maximum length for Sealtite in hot tub and spa applications is a critical safety measure. It addresses manufacturing limitations that impact structural integrity and mitigates potential electrical hazards outlined in the NEC. By limiting the length, risks such as overheating, arcing, sparking, and damage from flexing are significantly reduced. Furthermore, shorter lengths are easier to install and require fewer connections, enhancing the overall reliability and safety of the electrical system. This stringent length restriction ensures that hot tubs and spas operate safely and reliably, protecting users from electrical hazards. Therefore, the limitations address a variety of concerns, beginning with physical and ending with safety. Specifically, the physical limitations are addressed by the manufacturing limitations, and the safety regulations are in place to prevent potential electrical hazards, which are also addressed by other factors. To reiterate, Sealtite, a flexible conduit commonly used for electrical installations, is indeed subject to a maximum length restriction, especially in specific applications such as wiring for hot tubs and spas. This restriction is primarily due to a combination of manufacturing constraints and safety regulations. The primary reasons that relate to manufacturing are that the material composition and production processes limit the length. Sealtite typically comprises a flexible metallic or non-metallic core with a protective outer jacket. Manufacturing long, continuous lengths of this material without compromising its integrity is technically challenging. The longer the conduit, the greater the risk of imperfections, such as inconsistent wall thickness, weak points, or material defects. Secondly, the machinery and tooling required to produce long lengths of Sealtite are often specialized and expensive. The capital investment needed to manufacture excessively long conduits may not be economically feasible for manufacturers, especially considering the limited demand for such products. Safety considerations and regulatory compliance also play a large part. The National Electrical Code sets standards for electrical installations in buildings and structures. These codes often specify the maximum allowable length for flexible conduits in certain applications. The limitations are intended to minimize the risk of electrical hazards such as overheating, arcing, or insulation breakdown. Longer runs of flexible conduit may be more prone to mechanical stress, bending, or kinking, which could damage the conductors inside and compromise their insulation. Limiting the length helps ensure that the conduit remains structurally sound and provides adequate protection for the wiring. Furthermore, longer runs of conduit increase the overall resistance of the electrical circuit. Higher resistance leads to voltage drop and energy loss, potentially affecting the performance and efficiency of electrical equipment. By limiting the length of the conduit, engineers and installers can better control the electrical characteristics of the circuit and ensure that it meets the required specifications. The ease of installation also limits the length. Long, unwieldy lengths of flexible conduit can be difficult to handle and maneuver, especially in tight spaces or complex installations. Limiting the length makes it easier for electricians to install and secure the conduit properly, reducing the risk of errors or damage during the installation process. From a cost perspective, longer conduits require more material and labor to install. Limiting the length can help reduce material costs and installation time, making the overall electrical project more economical. The design considerations of hot tubs and spas have to be taken into account. Hot tubs and spas typically have limited space for electrical wiring and connections. Long, flexible conduits would be impractical to route and secure in these confined spaces. Limiting the length ensures that the conduit can be easily accommodated within the available space. The potential for water ingress must be considered. Hot tubs and spas are inherently wet environments. Long runs of flexible conduit may provide more opportunities for water to enter the conduit system, potentially causing corrosion, electrical shorts, or other hazards. Limiting the length helps minimize the risk of water ingress. Finally, the standard practices and industry norms also restrict the length. In many industries, there are established standards and best practices for using flexible conduits. These standards may specify maximum length limits based on experience, testing, and performance data. Adhering to these standards ensures consistency and reliability in electrical installations.